Hello, this is Dipin Chandra Sen. I would like to say your English for Today book for classes 9 and 10, Unit 1, Lesson 4, topic name Responsibilities, Stage C. Discussion group and right answer to this question. Number 1, which persons and institution do you have responsibilities for? Make a list. The first in the list is done for you. A. Parents. B. Blah 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 blah. C. Blah 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 blah. Number 2. Make a list of responsibilities you have as a student at home, school, and in society. Number 3. Make another list of things you shouldn't do at home, school, and in society. Number 4. Who do you get help from to discharge and responsibilities you have listed in C1? How do they help you? Number 5. Are there any difficulties in fulfilling the responsibilities? Briefly describe them. Number 6. Make a list of responsibilities other people have towards you. Briefly describe what might happen if they fail to fulfill the responsibilities. Number 7a. What rewards are you likely to get if you fulfill your responsibilities? B. What penalties or punishment may you get if you do not carry out your responsibilities? Number 8. What responsibilities do you think you can perform well when you go on a class picnic or when your school stages a play as a part of its annual prize giving ceremony? Okay, dear students, this is a group discussion. Enjoy it.
Which person and institution do you have responsibilities for? Can you make a list?
Of course. Why not? I have responsibilities for a parents B, school C, society.
Do you think, as a student, you have responsibilities at home, school, and in society? Of course, I have. Can you please make a list of your responsibility at home?
Yes, at home I have to A. Look after my parents. B. Look after my younger brothers and sisters. C. Help my parents to do household chores. Now, will you please tell us about your responsibilities at home?
Well, at school I have so many responsibilities. Some of them are A. To keep classroom neat and clean. B. To follow the instruction of the teachers. C. To abide by all rules of the school.
I want to ask you another question. What are your responsibilities in society?
As a student, I have also some responsibilities in society. Some of them are A. To stand by the suffering people after natural calamities. B. To motivate people to send their children to school. C. To teach elderly illiterate people.
Can you please give us a list that you shouldn't do at home?
Yes, sure. At home, we shouldn't A. Quarrel with the family members. B. Be careless of our younger brothers and sisters. C. Disobey our parents' order.
Can you make another list of things you shouldn't do at school?
Well, at school I shouldn't A. Be rude to anybody. B. Talk in the class. C. Make the classroom dirty.
I shouldn't do the following things in society. A. To put building materials on the footpath. B. To make public places dirty. C. To be intolerant to neighbors.
Who do you get help from to discharge the responsibilities you have listed in C1?
My parents train me at home how to behave with my siblings and how I can help them in household works. They also teach me to be truthful and honest. On the other hand, my teachers train me to be punctual, disciplined, and dutiful. My friends teach me to be tolerant.
Do you face any difficulties in fulfilling the responsibilities?
Yes, obviously there are difficulties in fulfilling the responsibilities. They are A. Sometimes it needs money to fulfill some responsibilities. B. Often people misunderstand me while doing my responsibility. C. Sometimes situation goes against me and I cannot carry out my responsibilities.
Can you give us a list of responsibilities other people have towards you?
A list of responsibilities people have towards me is as follows. A. My parents have the responsibility to bring me up properly. B. My teachers have the responsibility to provide me with proper education. C. My society has the responsibility to ensure my social security.
But, what might happen if they fail to fulfill their responsibilities?
If they fail to fulfill their responsibilities towards me, there may create many problems. I will not be able to live a happy life if my parents are unable to perform their responsibilities. Again, if the teachers in my school do not provide me proper guidance, my study will bring no fruit. Likewise, my life will be endangered if society does not perform its responsibility.
What rewards are you likely to get if you fulfill your responsibilities?
Discharging responsibilities is a moral obligation. So, reward should not be expected. Yet I may earn others' admiration as a reward.
What penalties or punishment may you get if you do not carry out your responsibilities?
If I do not carry out my responsibilities, I will certainly get punishments. They are A. My mental peace will disappear. B. People in the society will dislike me. C. I will not be able to prosper in life.
What responsibilities do you think you can perform well when you go on a class picnic?
Well, there is a scope to perform many responsibilities when I go on a class picnic. For example, I can serve food to the students and the teachers, arrange cultural programs and volunteer in the events of games and sports, etc.
And, what will be your responsibility when your school stages a play as a part of its annual prize-giving ceremony?
Well, to stage a play in the school campus, I will help to set the stage, I'll motivate other students to work together. I may also perform a role in the drama.
Thank you all. It's really a wonderful discussion.
Yes. You're welcome.